can be worried about the Prime Minister's popularity dwindling away, because that is the reason why he is polarizing and communalizing to the extent that he is doing. But Mr. Tyagi spoke about Brij Bhushan Charan Singh just now, and I want to ask him whether having 4 children is lots of children according to Prime Minister Modi or not, because Brij Bhushan Charan Singh has fathered 4 children, and out of them one is an MLA, the second one has got this ticket. So you must answer regarding that. One particular family and everybody will get tickets, and you don't have dynasties. Right. Now, when you talk about somebody on your panel said that Priyanka Gandhi has never contested. Well, you think that people who die, they will come back to contest also, right? So people have to be contesting. New people always come in politics. What kind of weird, strange, bizarre logic is that? Now coming to Smriti Irani taking a house on rent, that's really something. If she took a house on rent, she also bought a house very recently because she knows that she is losing, and now she wants to tell the people of Amethi, oh, I'm here. But she goes from one dhaba to another asking people, did Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi ever come to your dhaba? And you know the kind of responses she's got. She also spoke lies about the ordnance factory, about which Rahul Gandhi ji had tweeted directly to the Prime Minister and told him that he had laid the foundation of that ordnance factory in 2010. Smriti Irani, like I told you, has also deleted one particular tweet where she said that more than 80 lakhs was spent on this particular project, whereas the people of Amethi started, there was an outrage in Amethi because people said she had spent only 7 lakhs and she was speaking lies. So these are liars, and it's a pack of liars that is there. Of course, we cannot, fight them on their lies, but we can fight on the truth, and therefore, what will happen and who will come in, it is for the people to decide. It is not for the panelists or the BJP to decide who will win. So the Janta is the Janardhan, and Rahul Gandhi, if he contests from Amethi or Raebareli, he will certainly win.